SMCI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Now, I am the only person in this page with a track record of 45,000 videos over the last 5 years, and it's only in those last 5 years that I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to figure this stuff out. Also, over 7 predictions made since 12th of May, 7 positions, 3 wins, 2 break-evens, and like 2 losses, I believe. But it's all here, you can check out all the links, but especially with the current situation and zone that we're in, the one thing that I'll care most about is just if I see a double break confirmation happening, right? And if this doesn't happen, bro, then I'm not going to be buying. Like, don't get me wrong, I do have a lot of SMCI receipts, 108 receipts in the Discord, but it's just that I'm not going to be looking to take no trades if my rules are not met. So in this case, yeah, it's a demand zone, it's mitigating it. But I would much rather jump in a car that's going 60 miles per hour, already breaking structure, rather than just trying to assume the shift, right? Guess the shift. So I'll continue to keep you updated. Like, this doesn't make sense, and just maybe rewatch it. And if you want the sauce, click the first link in the description, it's free, and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.